I didn't touch your flip-flop.
Stop on the back.
I didn't touch your flip-flop. I wasn't running anywhere near you. This is the other witch's circle?
There's some massive spikes on here, guys.
That's because it's the witch circle. It has protection.
I'm not going in there.
Neither am I.
I already done it once. Don't want to do it again. You went in this?
Yeah, this whole thing is in.
Is that the witch's circle?
Go see if you get shocked by it, Erica.
But I'll go in.
Rachel's going to go enter the witch's circle.
Oh, in there?
In the water?
No, right here. Right here and in the water.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. She's feeling something, guys. Where's the course?
Entering the witch's circle?
Oh my gosh, I'm shaking.
Oh man, I can really feel that.
Now
I'm in the witch's circle.
Oh my god, guys.
It's pretty crazy.
Oh my gosh, I feel the tension of the spirits around me.
I don't like it in here.
Oh, yes. Oh, I'm getting cold, man. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to leave.
There's a thorn in my shoe. You definitely just broke it.
I didn't touch your shoe.
I swear to God, someone...
I did not step